Okay?
Saan ba ang ano?
Game.
Ha?
What's
Pupunta
that?
dito?
Worm.
Spell worm.
Hello.
Tayo dyan.
O.
Pasok ang buwan pa. Ha? Ha?
N.
Very good. Louder.
2 minutes lang.
What is this?
Frog.
What is the sound of a frog?
Repeat. Repeat.
Very good. Spell frog. F.
F.
Pupunta ba kayo dito?
R. O. C.
Very good. This one. What is this?
Ha?
S.
It's very good. This one. Hold it. What is that?
Moon.
Let me see. Spell moon.
N.
Ha?
O. N.
Very good. Yay! This one. What is this?
Tatlo, apat.
Count. This one. What is this? Tyrese, Very good. Spell owl. Spell owl. Hold it. Sit ka lang. Again. Spell owl.
O.
Louder. Very good. This one, Tyrese, Tyrese, come here. This one, what is this? What is this?
Egg.
Spell egg. E.
E. E. C.
Very good. This one, what is this? Louder. What is this first?
Da.
Yes. That is a...
Ball.
Very good. Spell ball. Louder.
Mama.
Drink ka muna water. Sleep ka na. Ay, sleep na. Bago ka mag-sleep, read muna. Spell ball. Spell ball. Louder, Spell ball. Spell ball.
B. A.
Yay! Ano sabi ni Ryan Bang?
Like it.
What is your name?
Baby.
How old are you? What? 2. What is your mommy's name?
Tintin.
Wow! What is mama's name?
Tintin.
Mama's name? Mama.
Tintin.
Anong name ni mama? Be? Count ka naman.
Two.
Count. 1,
1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10. Tagalog naman.
isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, siyam,
Lo.
Sam, sampu,
Yay!
Pacquiao, Pacquiao,
Ay, Pacquiao. Ayoko. What is the color of the moon muna? Dali. What is the color of the moon?
Ako.
What is the color of the moon? What is the color of the moon? Yeah?
Hello.
Hello. Very good. What is the sound of a bird? What is the sound of a bird? Ay? Sabi nung moon. What is the sound of a bird?
Ganda. Dalawa.
Ayo. What is that?
Babawasin tayo, Liz.
Ay, mama!
Ay, call me mama.